this is Ieasha of Decor Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today is 6 of my DIY Fall Wedding Series 2021, and today I'm going to be bringing to you how to decorate your welcome table. And what I mean about your welcome table is when people come into the reception area or either your actual wedding and you have the guest book set up so people can sign in, sign your guest book. So I'm going to show you some different ideas instead of just having the guest book. What else you can use in order for your guests to sign. All right, I hope that you all have enjoyed this series. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, come back on next Tuesday because I have 2 more days of this DIY wedding series and it will be over. All right, I have enjoyed bringing this to you all. I hope that you all have enjoyed it and get some great ideas for your upcoming wedding or someone you know who is getting married. All right, so make sure you share these videos and also subscribe. All right, so let's get into the video. All right, everyone, so what I have done right here, I have set up a really great area here that you can have at your wedding reception. And what this is a welcome table, and this is the area where your guests can sign your book. And instead of doing a guest book, I decided to just use this photo frame that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and just add this marker here. It looks like a pen, but it's actually a marker. And what you can do, you can just, the guests, all they can do is just write their names here on this photo frame. All right, and make sure you get a permanent marker so that you can keep up with the names and everything. And this paper here, I just put it on the back side of this photo frame so that the actual frame can be written on. All right, and this setup is for a small intimate wedding. Of course, if you're having a bigger wedding, then you will want to get either a bigger photo frame if you would like to do it with the photo frames, or you can actually buy a guest book and just customize it to your liking. All right, but this here is just, like I said, for a small intimate wedding with not a whole lot of guests, where they can just take the pen or the marker and just sign their names either on the photo frame, or like I said, if it's a bigger wedding, then you can do an actual guest book. Now right here in the middle, all I did was just add some flowers just to give it that cute little special touch. All right, and on this side right here, this is the actual picture that we use on our welcome table. All right, so all I did was add a beautiful gold sequin. This is actually a curtain, and I just decided to put it here on the table because remember, the colors are like that burgundy color and gold. And all I did here was add 2 of these beautiful candle holders. And as you see, the candle holder has a little handle here that you can hold. It's just kind of like a bucket actually, but it's a beautiful candle holder. All right, and I just put a candle in it. And if you would like, you can add the candle. You can light the candle. If you would like, you can light the candle, but just make sure that there's somebody there at all times to watch it, because you do not want the candle to catch on fire. You can also purchase those candles that run by batteries. All right, so this is just a setup that I wanted to show you. This is another idea that you can have for your wedding. And all I did here was just print this out on my computer. I typed it on my computer and printed it out on my printer. And it just says, J and Ieasha wedding book, please sign. And it has 2 of the toasting glasses here. And I did it in the wedding colors of gold and burgundy. And gold and burgundy were our colors, all right? All right, so this is what I want to show you. I hope this gives you an idea of what you can do for your own wedding. All right. I hope that you all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Decor Designs by Ieasha family. All right, and remember, put a pen or marker so that your guests can sign your guest book or either your photo frame or whatever it is that you decide to use on your table. All right, I will see you all on Tuesday of next week. I have 2 more times that I will be uploading, which will be next Tuesday and next Thursday. All right, you all have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video.